Kinetic illusions and viral visual machines. From the dawn of art and invention, humans have been fascinated by illusions and moving machines that defy expectations. Whether through ingenious optical tricks, mesmerizing kinetic sculptures, or viral engineering experiments, these creations stretch the limits of perception and imagination. In this journey, we'll explore some of the most remarkable kinetic illusions and visual machines that have captured the world's attention. From Sugihara's impossible cylinders to Theo Jansen's Strandbeests walking along beaches, and from mechanical mirrors that respond to presence to wave sculptures that breathe like nature. These works don't just impress us visually, they reveal something profound about human creativity and the way we see the world. Ambiguous cylinder illusion. Kakichi Sugihara. One of the most mind-bending optical illusions of recent years is the ambiguous cylinder illusion created by Japanese mathematician and illusionist Kakichi Sugihara. At first glance, a set of cylinders appear perfectly round when viewed in one direction, but when seen from another, they suddenly look like square pillars. This shocking transformation seems impossible, yet it's the result of clever 3D design and perspective manipulation. Impossible motion. Magnet slopes illusion. Another of Sugihara's famous works is the impossible motion, magnet slopes illusion. In this demonstration, balls appear to roll uphill against gravity on tracks shaped like slopes. The brain insists this is impossible. Objects shouldn't defy the laws of physics. Yet when seen live, the illusion is convincing. The truth lies in the careful construction of the tracks, which are tilted in unexpected ways, tricking our sense of depth and orientation. Wintergatan Marble Machine X. When it comes to viral visual machines, few projects have captured imaginations quite like Wintergatan's Marble Machine X, created by Swedish musician and inventor Martin Molin. This massive wooden contraption is powered by thousands of rolling marbles that strike instruments like a vibraphone, bass, and percussion in a carefully orchestrated performance. The original marble machine became a YouTube sensation, but Molin took it further by designing the even more ambitious Marble Machine X. Theo Jansen's Strandbeest, walking on the beach. Dutch artist Theo Jansen has spent decades creating moving sculptures he calls Strandbeests, or beach animals. These creatures are built from lightweight tubes and designed to walk using wind power. Watching a strandbeest striding gracefully across the sand is like seeing a skeleton come alive. Jansen calls them a new form of life, evolving his designs year after year, with each generation becoming more sophisticated. The Strandbeests have been featured in museums, on beaches around the world, and in viral videos that fascinate millions. Sisyphus Kinetic Sand Table. In a different vein, the Sisyphus Kinetic Sand Table transforms a simple coffee table into an ever-changing work of art. Under the glass surface, a steel ball is guided by hidden magnets, drawing intricate patterns in sand. Inspired by the myth of Sisyphus, the endlessly repeating motion symbolizes persistence. Yet it also creates stunning geometric designs. No two moments are of the same, and watching the patterns unfold feels meditative and timeless. Daniel Rosen. Wooden and mechanical mirrors. Interactive art takes center stage in the works of Daniel Rosen, particularly his iconic wooden mirror. At first glance, it looks like a wall of wooden tiles, but as a person steps in front of it, the tiles rotate to form a pixelated reflection of the viewer. Rosen expanded on this idea with his mechanical mirrors, using objects like fur, trash, or metal discs to create interactive reflections. These mirrors blur the boundary between technology and art, forcing viewers to confront their own presence in playful, unexpected ways. Strandbeest Evolution 2024, a new model. Even today, Theo Jansen continues to evolve his Strandbeests. The 2024 models are lighter, more adaptable, and capable of walking longer distances than ever before. Jansen treats them as a new species, refining their DNA with each iteration. The latest versions can store wind energy and use it later, allowing them to move even when the breeze dies down. These new Strandbeests reflect how kinetic art is not static. It is a continuous process of innovation, where every model builds upon the past. John Buck Wooden Automata. Kinetic Sculpture. American artist John Buck is known for hand-carved wooden sculptures and intricate automata that spring to life with cranks, cams, and gears. His kinetic tableaus often mix figurative carving with found objects, creating narrative machines that comment on culture, nature, and technology. When activated, figures nod, wheels turn, and levers tug chains of cause and effect, producing a choreographed sequence that feels both playful and uncanny. The illusion isn't digital. It's mechanical empathy, wood, wire, and counterweights performing with the precision of a stage play. Bob Potts, flying machine. American sculptor Bob Potts is known for his mechanical sculptures inspired by flight. His flying machine resembles the skeleton of a bird or insect, with wings that flap in delicate arcs. Though it never takes off, watching it move gives the impression of life. Potts captures the dream of flight that has haunted humanity for centuries, distilling it into a kinetic sculpture that celebrates motion itself. His works are tributes to both imagination and craftsmanship, balancing the mechanical and the poetic. John Tye Herwitz, anamorphic metal sculpture. Artist John Tye Herwitz specializes in anamorphic metal sculptures that transform depending on the viewer's angle. In one form, they appear abstract and chaotic, but when viewed from the right perspective or reflected in a polished surface, they reveal perfectly clear images or faces. This play with perception challenges the boundaries of reality, making his works both puzzling and awe-inspiring. Schroder Staircase illusion. The Schroder Staircase is a classic optical illusion where a staircase can be seen as facing upward or downward, depending on how the mind interprets it. When rendered in 3 dimensions, this illusion becomes even more striking, flipping orientation as the viewer shifts perspective. It's a perfect example of how the brain constantly interprets ambiguous cues, and how artists and scientists can exploit that ambiguity to create wonder. Triply ambiguous object, Sugihara. Sugihara's genius strikes again with the triply ambiguous object, which can be interpreted in 3 entirely different ways depending on viewpoint. Each perspective reveals a different truth, yet all coexist in the same object. It's a brilliant commentary on perception, showing that reality isn't always singular. It's a construct of how we look at things. Rosen, soft mechanical mirror. Rosen's soft mechanical mirror takes his interactive concept further, using fabric flaps that respond to movement. The mirror seems to ripple like water as it reflects the presence of people nearby. This installation blends softness with mechanics, creating a living surface that feels organic even though it's powered by technology. The endless allure of kinetic illusions. From illusions that bend the rules of perception to machines that come alive in motion, kinetic art has an endless ability to fascinate. These works remind us that reality isn't fixed. It's shaped by perspective, imagination, and creativity. Whether it's Sugihara's mathematical puzzles, Rosen's interactive mirrors, or Jansen's walking Strandbeests, each piece leaves us questioning what's possible and eager to see more. If you found these kinetic illusions and viral machines as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who love art and science, and subscribe for more deep dives into the most mind-bending creations from around the world. The world of kinetic illusions is ever evolving, and you won't want to miss the next marvel of motion and imagination.